Hello. Can you please tell us your name and your position at Vidir?
Hello, my name is Umair Younas and I'm an electrical engineer in research and development.
Can you tell us about your background and culture?
मैं पाकिस्तान में पैदा हुआ था और फिर मैं कनाडा मूव हो गया और यहाँ पे मैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैनिटोबा में मैंने अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट की और अब मैं यहाँ वीडर पे काम कर रहा हूँ.
What languages do you speak?
Well, Urdu is my native language, but I also speak Punjabi, Hindi, and partially Arabic.
What are some of your favorite cultural traditions or foods?
हमारे कल्चर ट्रेडिशन में है 2 ईदें आती हैं साल में और हम वो 2 ईदें सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और मेरा जो पसंदीदा खाना है वो है चिकन पुलाव.
What made you choose Vidir as a place of employment?
Well, I started working here last year, but I can see there's a lot of opportunity to grow and there is a potential for this industry to grow and then I can build my future.
Tell me about your day-to-day work at Vidir.
मेरी बहुत सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं. कुछ काम मेरा है कि मैं रिसर्च एंड डेवलप करके नए कंपोनेंट्स नई डिज़ाइन बनाते हैं और कुछ मेरा काम एक पार्ट ऑफ माय जॉब ये होता है कि जो प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज़ हैं या सर्विस एक्टिविटीज़ हैं उनको सपोर्ट करना और नए इलेक्ट्रिकल डिज़ाइन बनाना.
What do you enjoy about working in manufacturing?
I see, I love working in manufacturing because you can see you create one idea, you brainstorm an idea and then out of that idea you develop something that is actually working and not only working but making difference in our day-to-day daily life and also making improvement in a lot of different businesses.
What is your view on diversity at Vidir? How have you seen diversity celebrated or showcased at Vidir?
वीडर एक बहुत अच्छी प्लेस है काम करने के लिए. यहाँ पे मुख्तलिफ बैकग्राउंड के लोग काम करते हैं. हमारा यहाँ पे कल्चरल पॉटलक हुआ था, उसमें सभी लोग खाना बना के लेके आए डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड के, वो सब हम लोगों ने मिलके खाया और एंजॉय किया.
What are some of the ways that Vidir and the manufacturing industry as a whole could do a better job of celebrating diversity and making the manufacturing industry more welcoming for people of all cultures and backgrounds?
Well, I think Vidir is doing a great job. I would say just keep it up. I've seen a lot of people from different background they coming here working, and as well as most recent update we have those new conference room where people can come and learn English as a second language. So I think Vidir is one step ahead of all the steps that needs to be taken place. So keep it up. That's okay. Cut.